In the next 8 videos, I'm going to clarify the strategy to get fully booked. Consider this as a mini course. So let's go. Welcome to Scale in Peace YouTube channel. I'm Nico, and every day I share growth hacking, productivity tips, and self-care advice for small business owners who want to get fully booked, reclaim their time, and be at their best health level possible within 6 months. Let's go for today's video. What is get fully booked? Get fully booked means simply achieving 100% of occupancy of whatever you are trying to sell or book if you have services or products. Obviously, get fully booked referred to my previous hostel experience where I was collecting bookings to get customers and to start making money. Then there is the time frame. I want to promise people that it is possible to get fully booked within 6 months. Although for me, it happened over 12 or 18 months. But this was because I was trying out different things. I made a lot of mistakes on the way. So what I'm promising here is simply to reshare everything that I know with you. And I also believe that I can achieve this for my own customers as a digital project manager. Now, do you need to invest anything to get fully booked? There is a yes and no to that question. My strategy that I'm going to share over the next 8 videos is low cost, at no budget, and aiming at helping any small business, any broken hostel owner that I was when I started this strategy. And it's meant to apply the 2 days tool and leverage that for free if possible. And obviously, if you have money now and you can invest and have a proper marketing budget, which I didn't have at that time, then this is even better because you will be able to afford to pay for consultants, you will be able to pay for maybe a marketing team or a sales team, and you will grow faster and hopefully you achieve better results. Like for anything else in life, the more you invest, the more results and the faster you might get them. My goal with this strategy is to share with you the knowledge that you need to have at your business owner level, at your entrepreneur level. This way you can work with your team, you can work with your specialists on those specific topics that we are going to cover over the next 8 videos. And of course, if you want to do it yourself, like I used to do with my hostel, these videos will be helpful for you because they share exactly how I was doing it. What is the real benefits here? Profits for your business, short-term, but also a long-term opportunity to stabilize your customer acquisition and customer conversion. So let's clarify what is acquisition and what is conversion here. Acquisition means you will be able to acquire more and more customers over time. And the conversion is simply the fact of turning a random person into a customer. So this strategy is on the whole level of sales and marketing. So you actually get not only more customers, but more quality customers. So that's 8 videos in total. The first strategy and video will be about fixing your website for conversion, number 1. Number 2, grow your traffic so that you grow your acquisition. Number 3, activate your social media so that you are always showing up and on point. Number 4, how to engage on social media so that not only people see you, but they also connect with you and become customers. The 5th video is about collecting 5-star reviews. The 6th video is about how to create a raving fan community. The 7th video is going to be about building strategic partners so that these people actually help you to get fully booked as well. And the last video, which is the 8th episode of this mini series, is going to be about understanding what's at stake and what's next once you've got fully booked and what you can expect after this strategy. I'm going to compile all these videos in a playlist as well so that I'm making sure that you can watch them later on. The link will be added to the description of this video, and consider as well sharing it with other business owners who you think can actually benefit from understanding this strategy. Share it with a friend who might want to find simple, actionable marketing and sales strategies to get more customers and get fully booked in 6 months. Let's go, guys. See you in the next video for the first episode of this mini series.